What is up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Wommack. Today is the 3rd of December. That means another video where I edit your pictures, and I already received so many pictures from you on my Instagram DM, so thank you to every single one of you for sending his picture, because I'm doing this kind of Christmas advent calendar where every day until Christmas Eve, the 24th, I will edit one of your pictures, and I'm absolutely blown away by how many of you guys take part, send me your pictures, and how good those pictures are that you sent me. And today we want to take a look at this picture right here. KINO sent it to me. He's a photographer, and he shot this picture and he sent it to me to see what we can do with this. To me, it looks as if it was shot with flash, and I like it a lot because the flash is really reflecting off the glass and off the jacket a little bit. So I think today we can try to pull this into that Noire inspired vibe, maybe add some sparkle effect, something like that, to make it look a little more exciting and kind of play around with the colors, enhance the contrast a little bit, and just make it look even more flashy. Now, this was the picture as I received it right here, and this right here is what we are going to create. And I will show you right now what to do using your smartphone, the free Lightroom app, and of course there's a free sparkle pack if you want to add those sparkles in the end as well in the free Over app. But now we want to focus on the color edit in the free Lightroom app. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of these videos that are coming now, because they could be about you. If you just send me your pictures on Instagram at Wommack, I'm always open for conversation and really excited to see your pictures. Now let's jump into this edit. The first thing we want to do, of course, is open our picture in the free Lightroom app right here, and then we go to light on the bottom, go to curve on the upper right side, and then to that red, green, and blue on the left right here. And I want you to recreate this curve as it is right here. So the shadows on the bottom left, we just raise them up a little bit and then create that really smooth S curve towards the upper right side. So copy this curve as it is right here. Then we're done. And now we just want to boost up the contrast in this case all the way to plus 55 right there. Then we pull down the highlights to negative 24. We pull down the shadows as well to negative 60 or 62, and the blacks down to negative 43 or 42 in this case. And now we really enhance the contrast. We made this picture a lot more flashy already. Now we go over to the color tones right here, and we just want to boost up the temperature to around plus 13, and now you can already see that Noire inspired vibe that we're getting here. I like it a lot. Pull down the saturation down here to negative 20 in this case, and now we scroll up and hit the grading tab right there. Now for the shadows here, we want to pull them to a hue of around 74 and a saturation of 25, so that kind of orange yellow area, 74, around 70 here, almost green even, and then a saturation of around 25, so 69, 33, that works good for us. Now the midtones we're not going to change, but the highlights right here, we want to now pull into that orange direction, a hue of 22, and then a really slight saturation of around 7 in this case right here. So it's 21 and 7, and we are done here. Then we go to the color mix on the upper right side. Now for the red tones, we just want to boost the saturation back up a little bit to around 19 right here. The orange tones, again, we want to boost the saturation to plus 60 in this case, pretty far up, because we want that orange tone to be dominant. Now the yellow tones, in this case, we also want to boost up the saturation to plus 40 right there. And then we are done here. We go over to the effects tab, and here we just want to boost up the texture to around plus 28, and then actually want to leave the clarity where it is. Now dehaze, we want to pull that down to negative 13 to make it look a little overexposed, which really sells that flash look a lot. And then down here, grain, we boost that up to around 19 right there. Not too much, just really subtle. And then we are done here. And this is it, guys. Here's a before and after, and I really am happy with what we created. Hope you, KINO, are happy with this little Jason Noire inspired look that we did here. Now, the last touch, if you want to do that, is you can add those sparkles, which I did right here. I really think this kind of gives a little extra creative vibe to the whole look. It's usually done with a filter on top of the camera lens, but I've also created a free sparkle pack for you guys, and I did a tutorial on that already, how to apply those sparkles. I'll link it up here right now if you want to add that final touch to the picture as well. I hope you're happy with this tutorial, and I've also created a preset on exactly this Lightroom look. It's on my website, the link is under this video, and it's in that all presets pack with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And the cool thing about the all presets pack is that there's new presets every week, and now this time of year, this advent calendar, there will be a new one every day until the 24th. All of these presets that I do here are automatically updated to that all presets pack, so you just have to get it once, get new presets every week or now every day. So make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in my next video. And of course, if you would like me to edit one of your pictures, feel free to DM it to me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. Now, thanks so much for watching. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.